Connect to the PCIe slot with the PC turned off. In the case of APX 5050, it has Gen 2 8-lane PCIe specification, so it is necessary to check the PCIe specification of the motherboard. Let's install the board. Channel 1, Channel 2, clock input, trigger input, modes are SMA female connectors. Let's connect the cable to channel 1. After aligning the position of the SMA connector, turn the nut to the right side to fix it. Please note that the SMA connector has a detachment life is 1000 times. If the number of detachments is exceeded, it may not operate properly. In this case, please request RMA to our company. I/O may differ from board to board. For APX 5050, 26-pin SD connector is used. For information on pin maps, please refer to the manual for each board.